Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to schedule an automatic shutdown in your Windows 10 PC. Before going to video, click on that red subscribe button and enable the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Let's get started. First, go to Task Scheduler. Click on Create Basic Task. In the column to type name, type something, for example Shutdown, and enter a description if you want. Click on Next. Choose the time period to execute the task. I'm choosing 1 time. Then click on Next. Then choose the date and time for the task to be executed and click on Next. Once again click Next and type Shutdown in the program script box, and in this column type /s space /f space /t space 0. Then click on Next and click on Finish. There you are. You created a task to shut your PC down automatically. Please like the video and share it to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and enable the bell icon. Thanks for watching.